name is Siosi'ana Patricia Taumoepeau, Miss Pangaimotu Island. I was born in Germany and raised in the United States and Canada, but my heart has always been rooted to the Kingdom of Tonga. I am a Tongan and French descent, proudly representing Fiema'u. I'm 24 years old, a graduate of Biola University, where I earned a degree in business marketing management, minoring in theological studies. My education has deepened my understanding of faith, leadership, and service. In my free time, I enjoy travel, volleyball, and dance. At the core of who I am is a deep love for my faith and my family. They are my greatest support, my foundation that I firmly stand on, molding the values that I am guided by. I believe that true beauty shines when it reflects the love of Christ through service, humility, and compassion. I've had the privilege of working for the Samaritan's Purse, a humanitarian organization that has allowed me to serve communities in need around the world, providing aid, hope, and healing in the name of Jesus. My goal is to share the beauty of Tonga and encourage thoughtful changes that will build a stronger future. I walk into this journey humbly, with love for our kingdom and the courage to glorify God in all that I do. Join me on this journey as I carry the voice of our people, connect our Tongan communities around the world, and reflect the hopes of a generation rooted in culture, faith, and in purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your contestant number 2, Miss Pangaimotu Island, Siosi'ana Patricia Taumoepeau.